Torre Galatro gave me this banjo. It had 4 strings when I received it, but now it only has 3 because I broke one when I was trying to tune it. At first I was gonna go to the music store and buy more strings and make it sound real nice, though I suppose I'll eventually do that. I haven't yet, so this will have to suffice. I don't really know how to play this thing, that's probably apparent from the sound of it, but I knew I had to write this song, and even though it sounds like shit, I owe this to you, Torre Galatro, because you gave me a banjo. Here is your song, Torre Galatro, because you gave me a banjo. Because you gave me a banjo. Because you gave me a banjo. Because you gave me a banjo.